In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player in Tekken 7 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Tekken 7 with two players on PC is extremely simple. All that you need is an additional controller. It is highly recommended that you use a controller for the additional player 2. However, you can try using two keyboards and see if that works. So all that you have to do to set up a versus battle for you and your friend on the same PC is to launch Tekken 7 and make sure that the controller is connected. You can either connect it through a cable, so just plug it into any available USB port or any respective port to use the controller on your PC, or alternatively do it wirelessly through Bluetooth or through something like a wireless dongle. Just make sure that the controller is properly recognized by your computer. Once this is done and the controller is good to go, from the Tekken 7 main menu, you will be able to choose offline mode. So when you select offline, one of the options in there is going to be versus battle. This option will allow you to play against another player locally, so sharing the same screen. So once you choose offline mode and you select versus battle, double check the controller. If the controller is already connected, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction and press the respective button to log in as player 2. Alternatively, if the controller does not recognize by this point, then you will have to try to plug it in again until it does. Once the game tells you that the controller was recognized and set up, both players will be able to choose their characters independently. So you can go ahead, choose your character, and once both are done and ready up, player 1 will be able to start the match. You will be able to use a combination of two controllers or one keyboard and one controller, and you might be able to do two keyboards, although most fighting games will not support that combination, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player in Tekken 7 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.